Hello and welcome to the DIY session on throttle cable adjustment. The throttle cable is an essential part of your motorcycle. If it's not properly maintained or replaced, it can stop you from riding. The throttle cable connects your mind and body to the heart of your motorcycle. If you're facing issues with free play of the throttle or motorcycle's idling RPM is reviving higher than normal, it's time to check and adjust the cable. But before we begin, ensure you have the following tools: an 8 mm open-end spanner, a 10 mm open-end spanner. To start with, inspect the throttle free play by rotating the grip for the parting line and slide the protective cover gently. To fix it, loosen the lock nut slightly with the help of the 10 mm spanner. Next, loosen the adjuster nut with the 8 mm spanner, followed by tightening the lock nut in the same direction. Slide back the protective cover. Now check your throttle free play again at the parting line. It should be in the range of 3 to 5 mm. Caution: it is advised not to adjust the nut at the other end. Once done, you're all set to vroom. Ride safe, keep roaring.